In this video, we will set up UGI as part of a barcode-driven semi-automated system in which the operator is able to open a part file with a handheld barcode scanner, such as the DataLogic 8300 shown here. Here's an overview of how the process works. The vehicle will roll into the operator's station. The operator will then scan a barcode on the vehicle that opens up a part file in UGI and on the GWiz with limits specific to that particular model. In order to do this, we first need a list of models with identifiers particular to each model of vehicle. In this example, I have 6 different models. Each model has a 13-digit VIN that contains 3 digits that will be used as model identifiers. For example, my turbocharged sedan model has the identifier of X91. The 6-cylinder sedan has a model identifier of S96, and so on. These model identifiers are what UGI will use to open up the corresponding part file when the VIN is scanned with the barcode scanner. Now, for the purpose of this video, I've already created the part files I'm going to call with the scanner, but before you go any further with the process, you'll need to make sure that you create an individual part file for every model you will be using. When you have your part files created, click on Tools and then Preferences from the top menu bar in UGI. You'll be prompted for your password. Contact us if you do not know it, and then click on OK. The first thing we'll need to do is click on the Serial Automation tab. From this tab, we'll set up the entire process. First, by clicking on Enable Barcode Input. We then select the serial baud rate of 9600 and choose the COM port that our barcode scanner is plugged into. In the grid, you'll see that we have 4 columns: model name, model identifier, group, and model path. And we won't be using group for this, but we will use the other 3. The model name is just a short description to remind us that which model is which. For my first one, I'm going to use the turbo sedan. The next column, model identifier, is very important, as this tells the program what to look for when the barcode is scanned. When UGI sees X91, it knows to open the X91 part file. If we are 1 or 2 digits off when entering the model identifier, then the file will not open. So here's how we do this. Remember that my VIN is comprised of 13 digits. I'm going to enter an asterisk for every digit except for the model identifier digits. For this setup, I'll have 5 asterisks, my 3-digit identifier, and then 5 more asterisks. Again, it is very important to get this set up right, as it tells UGI what to look for when the barcode is scanned. Now, we will not need to utilize the group column for this type of setup, so leave it blank. The model path, however, is important, as this is the location of the part file UGI will open when the model identifier is scanned. I have all my part files in the same location. C, Program Data, LMI Corporation part files, and then I just choose the part file for the identifier I have entered. I'll then repeat this process for my remaining models and test it out using my barcode scanner. When I finish entering my models, I can click on Finish, and then click on OK, and then I'll restart UGI. When I start UGI up again, I should see the barcode scan box pop up. To test out each one of my model identifiers, I'm going to use my scanner to scan an example VIN to see if the part file opens up. After I take the last bit of data, you'll see the barcode scan box pops up again, and then I'll just continue to scan through my list here. And if all my part files open up successfully, I know that it's ready for implementation out on the line.